Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you tap the microphone button in Gemini and nothing happens. Or it says it's listening, but it never hears you, or you get an error about the microphone being unavailable. So the microphone button is this one, for example. Voices issues usually come down to permissions, another app hijacking the mic, or specific conflict with Google Maps during navigation. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to actually fix Gemini voice not working, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you want to go and check the microphone permissions by going to Settings, Apps, Gemini, Permissions, Microphone, and make sure it's enabled. If another app is using the microphone, Gemini can't access it. First, close any other app that might be recording audio. Then it's time now to clear the cache and reboot. If you are using an Android, for example, go through Settings, Apps, Gemini, Storage and Cache, clear the cache, then reboot your phone. If that doesn't work, try clearing data and restarting. If you are on basically a normal window or the website, go all the way to Cookies Inside, Cookies here, select them all, and tap on Remove. And that's it. Then check the Google Maps conflict, as I said. Make sure the Google Maps isn't the one using the mic. Disable use Google Assistant features. Some users have fixed voice issues by toggling the setting off. Go to Gemini app, profile picture, setting, digital assistant from Google, and toggle the setting off and on. If that doesn't work, try temporarily switching the default assistant back to Google Assistant, rebooting and switching back to Gemini. Then also make sure to check the voice input settings. In the Gemini app, tap on your profile. Go all the way to settings, look for options related to voice input, and that's your idea. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.